We know how hard it is to find something to do when it's raining outside.
So here are some helpful suggestions to get you through the day.
Practice your pickup lines.
Hey there, baby doll. Do you spray Windex on your pants? 'Cause I can see myself in them.
Discuss unicorn politics. Wear a yarmulke. Wear several yarmulkes. Pull up your pants without any hands. Discover your musical talents. Become Olympic gymnast.
Grow a mustache.
Grow a beard.
Serenade a stranger.
You are so hot. You are so sexy.
Bro chill in the shower. Be intelligent. Talk to your friends.
Hi, Rachel.
Hey, Olivia.
Hi.
Hi, what's up? I'm great. So next time it's raining, you don't have to be bored.
Just follow our easy tips and you'll always have a fun-filled afternoon. Bye, bye, bye. Subscribe.